Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is now around 3 o'clock. The rain has just stopped, and actually there is a sun. But you know, if you check the weather, yeah, there is rain in this week. Yeah, even tomorrow I'm expecting a rain. Yeah, but it's okay. I'm ready. I'm actually going to use just this bike, even under the rain. I was just at home and feeling bored. I am just going to eat because I am cravings for Filipino food, at least Asian food. You know, during winter, it's good to stay in the shopping mall because shopping mall is not very cold. I didn't switch on the power of this electric bike, but I am sure it can go up there. Yeah, because you know this bike is lighter than the previous one that I have. Yeah, but I would say that the motor of that other electric bike is much better than this. Okay, we're going to eat in that Asian restaurant. We're going to stop here because it is not allowed to bike in there. Oh yeah, they are closed. The door is closed. I am thinking of eating in that Hugs Cafe, but they don't have rice. Also, their fish and chips is a bit expensive. I don't know where I'm going to eat now. Maybe in that Asian Chinese restaurant. Oh, there's Rainbow. Yeah, I just checked. Yeah, we end up here. I just check if I have money in my wallet because they don't accept card here. So this is what I am having. This is a fried rice and spring roll. Yeah, I have a spring roll at home, but you know, here is different. Yo, that's it. We're going to roam around first and then we're going home. Thank you. Yeah, we're just gonna be chilling, listening to music while driving around here. That's make me relax. I don't feel really cold because I have 3 layers of clothing with me. Yeah, I'm wearing the what's that, thermal, yeah, thermal shirts and long sleeve, and then this sweater. It is high tide. I'm sure there are many fish down there. Oh, look at that. There is a group of fish there. Whoa, yeah, there is a group of fish there. Can you see that there? Yeah, they are coming back. They are big. That one you don't see, but Chef Matt is there. Yeah, Chef Matt is the guy that is working with me in the breakfast. Before I was working the breakfast, not anymore these days because there are 2 new ladies. So Chef Matt is working with 2 ladies in the breakfast. Yeah, I like breakfast because breakfast is so good. Time runs really quick. It's like a part, breakfast is like part of the sleeping time. Yeah, because right after the work, the duty, you are free to do anything. You can roam around, you can do fishing, you can do anything you want. Chef Matt is walking his dog. I don't know, he lives in very far place. Chef Matt is the housemate of Inigo, the Filipino guy. Inigo is now in the Philippines for a 4 weeks vacation. Good for him, mate. Look, there are 2 fishing guy there and there. Then you came to me, and as this long day, I made this think that I saw to the heartache. But the heartache is now that I found you. Even the nights are brighter now that we're here together. Even the nights are better since I found you. I don't know the lyrics, mate. Sunset is happening this time. Yeah, mate, electric bike. You should try electric bike. Yeah, it is so good. I don't know, but it feels so good driving this in a flat surface. Yeah. And one more thing, if you are using your electric bike, you're helping the environment. I mean, you know, the cars, they are emission. They have emission, adding the, you know, dirt in the environment. They are adding pollution in the environment. Yeah, can you imagine if everyone use electric bike? For sure it will help to, you know, clean the environment, and yeah, we're going to live a good life. I don't know why I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so empowered to vlog and just say a word that I want to say. Yeah, good morning guys. That's a lot of, oh, whoa, very windy outside. Yeah, my duty today is 2 o'clock. It's now 12:32. Outside is very windy, as you can see. Look at that. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, this is going to be the first time that I'm going to the rain with my electric bike. Oh, oh, my bike is wet. And I'll be having my second coffee. Yeah, this is the new, yeah, the new kettle. I think it looks good. Yeah, this one, I need to switch this on so that I have hot water later when I take shower. Yeah, because you know, it's like that during the cloudy days or when there is no sun, the water is not hot in the shower. I needed to switch this on for around 30 minutes so that I have a hot shower. I'm going to use that very often this winter season. It is really windy outside. Oh, I heard a very, yeah, very, what's that? Oh, oh, look at that. Yeah, the, you know, the dead tree is already pulled down there. Oh, very strong wind, right? Yeah, I don't know if you were seeing that tree before in my previous vlog, in my, you know, I'm only showing that. My heart, my heart. Gotta come back and find the future. This is how it is today. Yeah, windy. This past few days have been raining and windy. Yeah, not good to bike around. Even my camera is not good. I didn't bring the microphone because, yeah, it's getting wet.